Hello student of class 10. It is a chapter triangles exercise 6.2 part 2. In part 2 from question number 7 to 10 only 4 questions are there. Now question number 7 using theorem 6.1. 6.1 means it is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoints of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. This you have to prove. Is the triangle PQR. M is the midpoint of PQ and MN is parallel to QR. MN meet PR at N. To prove N is the midpoint of PR. Okay. Now proof in triangle PQR, MN is parallel to QR. So by basic proportionality theorem, PM upon MQ is equal to PN upon NR. Now this equal to this, PM is equal to MQ. Therefore PM upon MQ is equal to 1. So Pn upon Nq, that is equal, so it is also 1. Therefore Pn is equal to Nr. Okay. As these are equal, therefore N is the midpoint of PR. Got it? Next question. Using theorem 6.2 prove that the line joining the midpoints of the any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. 6.2 theorem means it is converse basic proportionality theorem. Okay, you have to use this theorem. Now in triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of PQ and T is the midpoint of PR. It's okay. PS is equal to SQ and PT is equal to TR. Okay. Now PS upon SQ is equal to 1 because it is the midpoint, it is 1, and PT upon TR, it is also 1. Therefore PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. It is 1 means it is two values are same. So okay, because of that it is 1. So by converse basic proportionality theorem, if this ratio are same, then ST is parallel to QR. Okay. Next question is question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect at O. So okay. Show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Now construction, you construct OE is parallel to CD through O. OE is parallel to CD. Okay. Now here already AB is parallel to DC and I have drawn it. EO or OE is parallel to CD. That means these three are parallel to each other. Now AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC in triangle ABD, in this triangle. Okay. And EO is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to AC. These three are parallels. Already I have told you. Now angle BAD in this triangle, EO is parallel to AB, and by Thales theorem means by PPT or basic proportionality theorem, BE upon ED, AE upon ED is equal to BO upon OD. Okay, it is the first relation. Second relation in triangle ADC, this triangle. Okay, EO is parallel to DC. So therefore by Thales theorem again, AE upon ED is equal AO upon OC. Okay, left hand side is same, right hand side must be equal. So it is BO upon DO is equal AO upon CO. Now if you if you change this value, this AO upon BO, so okay, CO will be here. Okay, AO upon BO equals CO upon DO. Proved it? Next question is, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. It is quadrilateral, not parallelogram. Okay, so these lines are parallel, we don't know that. Okay, now through O, draw EO which is parallel to AB. Okay, now AO upon this is parallel, therefore AO upon, given this one already, this as given. Now here you cross this AO upon CO, you can write it here, and BO can shift here by cross multiply. Okay, AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. It is the first relation we have got from the given part. Now next is in triangle ABD. Triangle ABD, this triangle, basic proportionality theorem we have BO upon DO is equal to AE upon ED. Okay, this is the second relation. So by first and second relation, it is AO upon CO is equal to AE upon ED. So okay, instead of BO upon DO, we can write AO upon CO. Now by converse of basic proportionality theorem there, it's okay, AO upon CO is equal to AE upon ED, means in this triangle EO is parallel to DC. Okay, these two are parallel, and EO is parallel to AB. That means these three are parallel to each other. So you can write AB is parallel to DC. Okay, hence quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Thank you very much.